Now see problem here ma. Find equations to the tangent planes. Find equations to the tangent planes find equations to the tangent planes to 7x square minus 3y square minus z square plus 21 equal to 0, which passes through the line 7x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0, comma z equal to 3. Find equations to tangent planes. Find equations to the tangent planes to 7x square minus 3y square minus z square plus 21 equal to 0, which passes through the line 7x minus 6y plus 9 is equal to 0, comma z equal to 3 ma. First of all, let us take given conoid ma, write it in the proper form. After that we can see remaining steps ma. Given conoid is it is 7x square minus 3y square minus z square equal to minus 21. I am writing like this. This 21 take on to other side, it is minus 21. To make this one as proper form, here you must create 1 more. You must rearrange here 1 more. For that, divide with minus 21 on both sides more. Dividing with minus 21 on both sides, we get x square by minus 3, directly I am writing ma, minus or plus y square by minus 21, minus into minus becomes plus na, 3 by 21, 7 na, minus into minus becomes plus, z square by 21 is equal to 1. Any problem is there? Just we are dividing with minus 21 ma, 7 by minus 21, 7 3 is the 21 na, minus 3. Now 7 21 like that have ma. This is your basic form. Clearly I am writing, which is in the form of ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1, where a is equal to minus 1 by 3, b is equal to 1 by 7 and c is equal to 1 by 21 more. A is minus 1 by 3, b is 1 by 7 and c is 1 by 21 more, right? Now keep this result aside more. Our next work is what more? We have to find a tangent plane which is passing through this line. Basically here line is in unsymmetric form. The combination of two planes, the intersection of two planes gives what ma, line. That line equation they given here. Otherwise, if you can take intersection of these two planes ma, that common area forms a line. Now we have to define a plane which can passes through that line. Meaning of this, internal meaning of it is what ma? We have to find equation of the plane which is passing through the intersection of these two planes ma. I am writing that ma. If p equal to 0, q equal to 0 are two planes ma, then what is a plane can passes through intersection of those two planes ma? P plus lambda q equal to 0, where lambda is unknown ma, right? That condition I am using here ma. The equation of a plane passing through the line, what is that line ma? 7x minus 6y plus 9 equal to 0, comma z equal to 3. For my convenience I am writing z minus 3 equal to 0. That equation is here. This is p equal to 0, q equal to 0. In planes you know p plus lambda q equal to 0. That condition I am writing 7x minus 6y plus 9 plus lambda into z minus 3 is equal to 0. You can write this in the proper form, that is 7x minus 6y now plus lambda z. Clear, plane formation we are writing 7x minus 6y plus lambda z. Next what? 9 minus 3 lambda plus 9 minus 3 lambda equal to 0. Still I am rewriting this as like this 7x minus 6y plus lambda z is equal to, take this total term to other side. It is minus of 9 minus 3 lambda is what? 3 lambda minus 9 or not? Directly I am writing it as what? 3 lambda minus 9. Let it be, this is your equation 1. Equation 1 means what? This all are equivalent quantities, right? All are equivalent results. Yes, this is our plane. Compare this one with your regular form Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. Define L, M, N and P results, which is in the form of Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P, where L is equal to 7, M is equal to minus 6, N is equal to 7 and P is equal to 3 lambda minus 9. Right? You can now come on to the question. We need what? Tangent plane equation. Means you have to proceed. This is tangent plane to given conicoid. If suppose equation 1 is tangent plane to given conicoid, then what we have there? L square by A plus M square by B plus N square by C is equal to what? P square, according to theorem number 2 in this unit. Just I want to use that condition. Given that, or we know that, whatever it may be. Given that plane 1 means plane equation 1. Plane 1 is tangent plane or touches, whatever it may be, tangent plane to given conicoid, so that L square by A plus M square by B plus N square by C is equal to P square. Just I use the condition. Yes, here substitute above results. This implies, what is L? This, it is 49 by L square by A. 49 by A is what here? Minus 1 by 3 plus M square. M is what? This 36 by minus 6 whole square. B is how much? 1 by 7 plus N square by 49 by C is what? 1 by 21 is equal to P square. P is what? 3 lambda minus 9. So that it is 3 lambda minus 9 whole square. Right? You can now simplify this. This is minus 3 into 49. 49 into 3 is what? Is it 147 or not? 147 means 1 minus 147 plus 36. Actual 1 by 7 means 7. 7 into 36 is what? 7 into 36 is 252. I think 252 it is. 7 into 36 is 252 plus 49 into 21. 49 into 21 is what? 49 into 21. Once look, is it 49? N value is 7. No, N value is 0 actually, because there is no Z term here. Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. This is actually Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P formation is there. there is no z term means n value is what ma? 0. So that here it is 0 I think. I mean n value is 0, n is 0. Yes, let us see here ma, this is actual plane. Here Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P ma. N value is what here ma? Lx plus My plus L7x minus 6y plus lambda z actually. Here I taken wrong. Lambda z ma. Lambda z means what is n here ma? Z coefficient lambda or not. Now here it becomes what ma? Lambda square by this. Any doubt? Here I written wrong ma. This is 7x minus 6y plus lambda z equal to 3 lambda minus 9 ma. Then here compare this one with Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. What is L ma? 7. What is M ma? Minus 6. What is N? Lambda, and P is what ma? 3 lambda minus 7 ma. So that here it is L square by A, 7 square by A is minus 1 by 3, M square by B, M is this ma, minus 6 whole square, that square by B is 1 by 7, and N square, lambda square by C is 1 by 21 equal to what ma? This. I mean here it is 21 lambda square. This I written as this ma, this into this is this ma, and this is 21. Lambda square by 1 by 21 is what ma? 21 lambda square is equal to, now do A minus B whole square. A square is what ma? 9 lambda square minus 2ab, 2 into 3, 6, 9 is the what ma? 54 na? 54 lambda minus 54 lambda plus 81. 9 lambda square minus 54 lambda plus 81 ma. Now take all the terms to one side and simplify it ma. Direct simplified form I am going to write ma. It is 12 lambda square plus 54 lambda plus 24 is equal to 0. 12 lambda square, 21 minus 9 is 12 na. This I am taking on to this side plus 54 lambda square here. If you can take 81 to this side, what ma? Minus 81, right? Minus 81 minus 47 plus 252 becomes what ma? 24, right? 12 lambda square plus 54 lambda plus 24 equal to 0. Now let us divide with 6 ma. 2 lambda square plus 9 lambda plus 4 equal to 0. Any problem? Just we are dividing with 6 ma. 4 into 2 8, 8 can be written as 9 can be written as 8 plus 1. Factorize it ma. This implies 2 lambda square plus 8 lambda plus lambda plus 4 equal to 0. In between these two things, let us take 2 lambda common ma. If we can take 2 lambda common, it is lambda plus 4. In next two terms take 1 common ma, it is lambda plus 4 equal to 0, right? I mean overall take lambda plus 4 common ma. Lambda plus 4 into 2 lambda plus 1 is equal to 0. From this you can define lambda values ma. One lambda value is minus 4 and other lambda value is what ma? Minus 1 by 2, because 2 lambda plus 1 equal to 0, 2 lambda equal to minus 1, lambda equal to what ma? Minus 1 by 2. Now substitute these two things in above relation ma, especially equation number 1 ma. Substituting lambda equal to minus 4 and lambda equal to minus 1 by 2 in equation 1 we get, yes, first minus 4 I am substituting ma. Here substitute ma. 7x minus 6y lambda equal to what ma? Minus 4. Minus 4z is equal to, here minus 4 na. Minus 4 means what ma? It is minus 12 minus 9. Minus 12 minus 9. It is what ma? Minus 27. Minus 12 minus 9 minus 21 ma, sorry. This is one equation ma, and other one is what ma? 7x minus 6y, lambda is minus 1 by 2, we are substituting ma. Minus 1 by 2 z is equal to, yes, here it is minus 3 by 2, minus 3 by 2, directly I am doing minus 3 by 2, minus 9 is what ma? Minus 21 by 2 ma, right? It is minus 21 by 2. It's 21, 1 and minus 21 by 2 ma. Otherwise you can write this as what ma? 7x minus 6y minus 4z plus 21 equal to 0 is one plane ma, one tangent plane ma, and other one is, now divide, multiply throughout expression with 2 ma. 14x minus 12y minus z plus 21 equal to 0. This be equations of tangent planes ma. In the question they given plural word ma, tangent planes, two planes we got, that's why they are giving it as what ma? Tangent planes ma. This is about your question. Next problem ma, same like previous question ma. Find equations to the tangent planes. Find equations to the tangent planes. Find equations to the tangent planes which passes through the line, which passes through the line which passes through the line x by 3 is equal to y minus 3 by minus 3 is equal to z by 1, and touching here they are not given the conicoid, but they may give ma, touching the conicoid, simply equation they written ma, x square by 6 plus y square by 3 plus z square by 2 is equal to 1. X square by 6 plus y square by 3 plus z square by 2 equal to 1. Find equations to the tangent planes which passes through the line x by 3 equal to y minus 3 by minus 3 is equal to z by 1 ma. Almost it is like previous question, but what is the difference between previous model and this model ma? In the previous model, here you have unsymmetrical form line equation ma. That is the only difference. Here they given symmetric form ma. Now let us reconstruct this symmetric form line equation to unsymmetric form. Then like previous question, previous problem, you can do this work also. Same question ma. Just change is what ma? Here they given symmetric form equation of the line. In the previous question you have what ma? Unsymmetric form equation of the line. Now write here this one in the unsymmetric form ma. Then like previous question we can do it ma, right? First I want to take given conicoid ma. Given conicoid is x square by 6 or 1 by 6 into x square plus y square by 3, which is 1 by 3 into y square, plus z square by 2, which is 1 by 2 into z square equal to 1, which is in the form of ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1, where a is equal to 1 by 6, b is equal to 1 by 3 and c is equal to 1 by 2 ma. Yes, this keep aside ma. Now take your given line and write it in the unsymmetric form ma. Given line is, given equation of the line is, what is that ma? X by 3 is equal to y minus 3 by minus 3 equal to z by 1. It is very simple ma. Conversion of symmetric to unsymmetric is very easy, but unsymmetric to symmetric is very difficult. One special procedure is there that basically we can discuss in lines chapter, but we are not having lines chapter. That's why I don't want to go through that big concept. Here just we have to change symmetric form equation of the line to what? Unsymmetric form. It is very simple. This equal to this equal to this means what? This is equal to this, you can take. Now combine them, you get one plane equation. Next, this equal to this I will take. It is not compulsory this equal to this one. If you want, you can take this equal to this also. Like that, two plane equations will get. Those two planes combination gives what? Equation of this line in unsymmetric form. That we are writing. This implies x by 3 is equal to y minus 3 by minus 3, comma x by 3 is equal to z by 1, but it is not compulsory x by 3 equal to z by 1. If you want, you can take this is equal to this, y minus 3 by minus 3 equal to z by 1. Any order you can proceed. Now simplify this. This implies it is what? Minus 3x is equal to 3y minus 9. Cross multiplication just we did. And next one is what? X is equal to 3z. Any problem is there? This is, I want to take this minus 3x to right side. First I am writing that x result. Otherwise you can divide with 3. 3 1 is the 3 1 is the 3 3 is the better. Directly I am doing here. Right? It is minus x take on to other side. X plus y minus 3 is equal to 0. This is one plane. And other plane is what? X minus 3z equal to 0, right? X plus y plus z, x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, x minus 3z equal to 0, right? This is unsymmetric form equation of this. This is symmetric form line, this is unsymmetric form line, both represent same line, right? Now what is our condition? We have to define a plane which can passes through this line. I am going to proceed that. The equation of a plane passing through the line x plus y minus 3 equal to 0, comma x minus 3z equal to 0 is x plus y minus 3 plus lambda into x minus 3z equal to 0. Any problem? Here clear reason I am writing, since p plus lambda q equal to 0. Whenever p equal to 0 is one equation and q equal to 0 is other equation. Those are two planes. Then equation of the plane can passes through intersection of those two planes is what? P plus lambda q is equal to 0. That we proceed. Now write it in the basic form. This implies in between these two things take x common. 1 plus lambda into x. Next write y coefficient plus y. Only one y term is there. Next what? Minus 3 lambda z minus 3 lambda z. Next what? Minus 3. That's all. X minus 3. Minus 3 means if you can take on to other side, it becomes equal to 3 or not. Right? 1 plus lambda into x, 1 plus lambda into x plus y minus 3 lambda z is equal to 3. Minus 3 lambda z is equal to 3. Right? Now this is your plane form. Compare it with your regular form, which is in the form of Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P, where what is L here? 1 plus lambda, M is what? 1, N is what? Minus 3 lambda, and P is equal to 3. Let it be, this is number 1. This is our required plane. Now the given, this is tangent plane to given conicoid. Given that above plane is, or plane 1 tangent plane to given conicoid, so that yes, what is the condition there ma? L square by A plus M square by B plus N square by C is equal to P square. This is L square, it is what ma? 1 plus lambda whole square by A. What is A here ma? 1 by 6 plus M square, M is what here ma? 1 by B, 1 by 3 plus N square, N is how much? This 9 lambda square by 1 by 2C is equal to P. What is P here ma? Here P is simply 3, it is 9. 3 square is 9 na? Yes, this write in the simplify this result ma. 6 into 1 plus 2 lambda plus lambda square, A plus B whole square condition I proceed, plus 1 by 3 is 3 plus 18 in lambda square minus 9 is equal to 0. This is 6 lambda square plus 18 lambda square is what ma? 24 lambda square. Next plus 18 lambda plus 18 lambda, 6 plus 3, 9, 9 gets cancelled ma, equal to 0, right? Here you can divide with 6 na. This implies 4 lambda square, 6 4 the plus 3 lambda is equal to 0. 6 3 is the 6 4 the. Here take lambda common ma. This implies lambda into 3 by 2 we got no? Lambda into 1 minute no? Yes, let us see here ma. This is actually 18 plus 6, 24 lambda square. Next 6 into 2, it is 12 lambda. 12 lambda. Now here plus 6 plus 3, 9 minus 9 becomes 0. Then this is what ma? Here let us divide with 12 ma. 2 lambda square plus lambda is equal to 0. Any problem is there? 12 2 is the 2 lambda square plus lambda equal to 0. From this take lambda common. Lambda into 2 lambda plus 1 equal to 0. From this lambda equal to 0 and lambda is equal to minus 1 by 2. Both results substitute in 1 ma. Substituting lambda equal to 0 and lambda equal to minus 1 by 2 in equation 1, we get, first substitute lambda equal to 0 here ma. Otherwise here anyway both this and this one and the same. Now I want to proceed here. If you can substitute lambda equal to 0, this becomes cancelled ma. Here it is x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. This is one equation. Next to substitute lambda equal to minus 1 by 2 here ma. Here or here, where whatever it may be, anywhere you can substitute, right? Now I want to go to here ma. X plus y minus 3. Now lambda is what ma? Minus 1 by 2 into x minus 3z is equal to 0. Let us simplify this ma. First plane is what? X plus y minus 3 equal to 0 or equal to 3. Anyway you can write ma. Minus 3 equal to 0, and other one directly I am writing ma. Multiply with 2 ma, because I want to cancel this denominator 2 ma. 2x minus x is what ma? X. Next plus 2y. X plus 2y. Minus into minus becomes plus ma. Plus 3z. Minus into minus becomes plus 3z ma. Next what ma? Minus 6 equal to 0. X plus 2y plus 3z minus 6 equal to 0 and x plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Be equations of tangent planes ma. Be equations of tangent planes. This is about your question. Yes, next one special problem. Show that the equation show that the equation 3x square plus 4y square plus z square minus x plus 12y minus 4z plus 13 equal to 0. 3x square plus 4y square plus z square minus x plus 12y minus 4z plus 13 equal to 0 represents an ellipsoid and find its center. This is your question. Show that this equation represents an ellipsoid and find its center. But what is ellipsoid equation? Basic ellipsoid equation is this one: x minus h whole square by some a square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square plus z minus some r whole square by c square is equal to 1. This is basically one ellipsoid equation, basic ellipsoid equation. But in our chapter we taken x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1, because we are talking about what? Central conicoid means center is at origin 0 0 0 0. That's why we taken like that. But basic form is this. I mean, take your given equation and write in this form. If your given equation is possible to write in this form, x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square plus z minus r whole square by c square equal to 1, then you say this represents an ellipsoid and their center is what? This h k r. H comma k comma r becomes what? Center. And at a time we get both conditions. Just go through representation of ellipsoid, internally we get its center. I mean, let us take your given equation and write it in the basic form. Reconstruct this one as like this. Given equation is three x square plus 4y square plus z square minus x plus 12y minus 4z plus 13 equal to 0. If suppose this equation is possible to express as like this, then only you say this represents an ellipsoid, right? Whether this representation of this equation is possible or not, we are doing some mathematical work. For that, first I want to write x terms, y terms, z terms combinations. X is what? 3x square minus x. This is x term. Next y term plus 4y square plus 12y. Next z term plus z square minus 4z. Right? This over. Next one is what? The remaining term is what? Plus 13 is equal to 0. All combinations we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. All the terms we got, right? After that, here for x square coefficient, y square coefficient, z square coefficients, we need to make free. That means let us take x square coefficient common, y square coefficient common, z square coefficient common. I want to go for x square coefficient 3. 3 take outside. It is what? X square minus 1 by 3 into x or x by 3, anyway you can write, plus here take 4 common, y square plus 3y. Here there is no special coefficient apart from 1, that's why you can write directly z square minus 4z plus this 13 keep as it is equal to 0. In the next step, I want to write this closed bracket area as a minus b whole square formula this is a plus b whole square formula, this is a minus b whole square formula. For that, once see reconstruction, once see here reconstruction, 3 into, basically this is a square, a plus a minus b whole square, a square minus 2 into ab means multiply and divide with 2 ma. I mean x square I am writing as it is ma, minus 2ab term we na, 2 into 1 by 6 into x. 2ab, any problem is there ma? Understood or not ma? 2, 3, here reconstruct once look ma, multiply and divide with 2 here, 2 into 2, 3 into 2 is 6 na, into this. Next I am using this ma, here yeah, I want to write this one as a minus b whole square, we got a square minus 2ab, what is b here? 1 by 6, now 1 by 6 whole square, add and subtract ma, 1 by 6 whole square minus 1 by 6 whole square, any problem is there? Understood or not? This is 2ab term, b term is this now, b square term we are adding and subtracting now. That is this first term. Like this go for next term, plus 4 into, here also a square plus 2ab, multiply and divide with 2 2 into 3 by 2 into y, plus 2ab, b term is what ma? 3 by 2. B square term means what? 3 square by 2 square means 3 by 2 whole square, add and subtract ma. 3 by 2 whole square minus 3 by 2 whole square. Any problem is there? Next go for third term ma. Do similar way ma. Plus z square, it is a square, a minus b whole square formation. I am writing this as 2ab means minus 2 into z. Any problem is there? 4 we are writing as 2 into 2. 2ab, b term is what here ma? 2. Now b square add and subtract ma. Plus 2 square minus 2 square. That is this. Plus this 13 I kept as it is equal to 0. I think you understood this complete rearrangement part ma, right? This is 3 into a square plus minus 2ab, a square minus 2ab plus b square. Up to here, is it a minus b whole square or not? A minus b means what ma? X minus 1 by 6 whole square. This is what ma? Minus this term what ma? 1 by 36. This is over. Plus 4 into, here also go like this ma. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Up to here, a plus b whole square. Y plus 3 by 2 whole square minus 9 by 4. This 3 square by 2 square. Plus this what ma? A square minus 2ab plus b square. Up to here it is what ma? Z minus 2 whole square, right? Minus this 2 square is what ma? 4 plus 13 equal to 0. Any problem is there ma? Next this I am writing as 3 into x minus 1 by 6 whole square. Now 3 by 36 minus 1 by 12 or not? Clearly I am proceeding like this. I mean 3 I am going to take inside here ma. Like that 4 also proceed ma. 4 into y plus 3 by 2 whole square minus this 4 gets cancelled. Is it 9 or not? Right? Plus this is z minus 2 whole square. This minus 4 plus 13 is what ma? Plus 9 or not? Is equal to 0. This minus 9 plus 9 gets cancelled ma. This is the only constant ma, minus 1 by 12. I want to take that one to other side ma, it becomes plus 1 by 12. Remaining term I am writing. This implies 3 into x minus 1 by 6 whole square plus 4 into y plus 3 by 2 whole square plus z minus 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 12. Any problem is there? Again this 3 I am going to write as 1 by 1 by 3. This 4 I am going to write as 1 by 1 by 4. That means this same expression you can write as x minus 1 by 6 whole square by 1 by 3 plus y plus 3 by 2 whole square by 4 you can write as 1 by 1 by 4. I mean 1 by 1 by 4, right? Plus this you can write as it is z minus 2 whole square by 1 I am going to write is equal to 1 by 12. Any problem is there now? right? After getting that ma, let us remove 12 also, right? Better it is remove 12 here only, it is better ma. That means if you can remove 12 ma, here you get 3 into 2, 12 into 3, 36 now. I mean this you can write as x minus 1 by 6 whole square by 1 by 36, 12. We are multiplying with 12 total expression now. Plus y plus 3 by 2 whole square by 1 by 48 plus z minus 2 whole square by 12 or 1 by 12, 12 into 1 by 12, right, is equal to 1, because we need to make right side 1 now. Again this I am going to reconstruct as like this now, x minus 1 by 6 whole square by this 1 by 6 whole square I am writing. Any problem is there? Because this you have to write as a square formation, 1 by 6 whole square now. Plus next one is what now? Y minus of minus 3 by 2, I am writing in the proper way now, whole square by this you can write as what now? 1 by root 48 whole square plus z minus 2 whole square by 1 by root 12 whole square is equal to 1. Now once look, it is in the form of x minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square plus z minus r whole square by c square equal to 1. Is it represents ellipsoid or not? Which represents an ellipsoid with center. Can you decide what is center here? This 1 by 6 minus 3 by 2, 2 more. 1 by 6 minus 3 by 2, 2. This becomes center of the ellipsoid more. This is about your question, right? If they given some equation, proceed it has ellipsoid or not, you must write it in the form of what more? X minus h whole square by a square plus y minus k whole square by b square plus z minus r whole square by some c square equal to 1. If that formation is available, then you say it represents an ellipsoid. And what is center here ma? 1 by 6 minus 3 by 2, 2 b center ma, right? This is about your question. That means this one and this one and the same ma. I mean here meaning of the question is what ma? This equation 1 represents an ellipsoid having center what ma? 1 by 6 minus 3 by 2 is 2 ma. This is about your special question. Yes, see next problem ma. Almost this question we had done in the previous case, but little bit they are giving in different fashion ma. Obtain the tangent planes to the ellipsoid. Obtain the tangent planes to the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1, which are parallel to the plane Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to 0. Obtain the tangent planes to the ellipsoid x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square equal to 1, which are parallel to the plane Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to P ma, right? This is your question. It is almost like overall question ma. What is a plane parallel to this plane ma? Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to some P or K, where P is unknown basically, right? But whenever Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P is tangent plane to this ma. What is the value of P? Somewhere in the last class we defined ma. P equal to plus or minus square root of A square L square plus B square M square plus C square N square ma. Substitute that here ma, you get your required plane. That completes your question ma. Right? That work I am doing ma. First I am going to define a plane which is parallel to this plane ma. First write your given ellipsoid ma. Given ellipsoid is x square by a square plus y square by b square plus z square by c square is equal to 1. Now define a plane which can parallel to this plane. The equation of a plane which is parallel to the plane Lx plus My plus Nz equal to 0 is, what is that ma? Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. Here P is unknown. It is not regular plane ma, it is parallel to this plane. Here P is what ma? Unknown ma. Right? You have to find the value of P according to your tangent condition ma. Now take this one as equation number 2. In the statement they given this equation plane 2 is parallel to this ma. Whenever this is parallel to this, we did one question ma. P value should be what ma? Plus or minus square root of A square L square plus B square M square plus C square L square. Directly I am writing that ma. Right? Given that plane equation number 2 is tangent plane to given conicoid. Instead of conicoid write down ellipsoid. Given ellipsoid, one more. Ellipsoid I am taking clear number also I am giving one more. So that implies P is equal to what ma? Plus or minus square root of A square L square plus B square M square plus C square N square. We defined this ma in somewhere in the previous class ma, right? This is the value of P ma. Substitute this P here, you get your required tangent plane ma. Substituting the value of P in equation 2, we get, what is that ma? Lx plus My plus Nz is equal to plus or minus square root of A square L square plus B square M square plus C square N square. This be equation of tangent plane. Equation of tangent plane to given ellipsoid. This is about your question. But in this same question once observe ma, instead of this ellipsoid, in the question if they given, suppose general conicoid ma, what is that? Ax square plus by square plus cz square is equal to 1. I mean, if your question is like this ma, obtain the tangent planes to the ellipsoid, instead of ellipsoid to the conicoid ax square plus by square plus cz square equal to 1, which is parallel to or which are parallel to the plane Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P. That means here if instead of this, if they given this equation ma, their almost concept is same. Here take this conicoid ma, right? And you can take the equation of the plane which is parallel to the plane Lx plus My plus Nz equal to 0 is what ma? Lx plus My plus Nz equal to P, where P is unknown ma. There what is the value of P ma? P is equal to plus or minus square root of L square by A plus M square by B plus N square by C. Understood or not? This we did after theorem number 1 I defined this. Theorem number 2, After theorem number 2 I defined this condition, right? This p value substitute here ma, then you get your plane. Two planes ma, plus or minus is there na, that's why two planes available, that's why they are giving plural word planes ma. Lx plus my plus nz is equal to plus or minus square root of L square by a plus m square by b plus n square by c ma. These are the planes, two planes which are parallel, which is passing through, which is parallel to this plane and it is tangent plane to this conicoid, right? I mean, if your conicoid is like this, your plane is this tangent plane. If your conicoid is like this, your tangent planes are this. Here already I told planes are there. This is Lx plus My plus Nz equal to plus root of a square L square plus b square m square plus c square n square is one tangent plane and second tangent plane is what Lx plus My plus Nz equal to minus root of a square L square plus b square m square plus c square n square. That's why in the question they are giving what planes, means plural word they given, right? This is about your this problem related areas.